girl NaturallyJas, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys read by the title, today I'm going to be giving you guys a spring weekend grocery haul. I have not given you guys a grocery haul in a while, and I know I always say that every time I do a grocery haul, and it's been a while, but I really haven't done one in a while, and I really do enjoy sharing those hauls with y'all. So I'm bringing you another grocery haul today. It's just going to be a weekend grocery haul based off of all the things that I plan on cooking this weekend, and I got everything that I purchased from Aldi this time. Like I said, and if you guys watch my vlog on my vlog channel, which is NaturallyJas Vlogs, also definitely check it out. But Aldi has been my saving grace as far as groceries go, because grocery prices are very, very expensive, and the way that I like to eat, I really like to have like a lot of healthy foods, and healthy foods are really, well, they can be really expensive depending on what you like to get. I'll go to Aldi because I can still get a lot of my favorite items. I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I had. Alrighty guys, so here are all the things that I got. Starting over here on this side, what is spring or summer without ice cream? I love ice cream, my kids love ice cream, and I got these ice cream cups here from Aldi, and I love them because Aldi is really specific about ingredients. They don't put all that crazy stuff in them, and I know I've said that 100 times, but these don't have any like high fructose corn syrup or anything in them, and they are delicious snacks just for if you want to have ice cream and not like spend all your money at like the ice cream shops and stuff, which is still delicious, but it's good to have some already at home for my kids to just come and grab and go outside and play or whatever they want to do. And then also I got some biscuits here for like breakfasts or dinners. I use biscuits for both. And then in the spring and summer, we eat a lot of corn. Corn on the cob is like one of my favorite foods. I've just learned because I eat it so much, but we love a good corn on the cob, especially for like if we're barbecuing out or we put them in the oven. I mean, I got my kids some mini muffins. Strawberry ones are their favorite, and like I said, I love that they are intentional about the ingredients they use. These have no high fructose corn syrup, and guys, the pollen has been like poison. I love spring, but the pollen has been like poison, and it's been messing with my baby's allergies so bad. So I'm trying to get as much vitamin C in them as I can. So I got tons of fruit. I got strawberries, blueberries, watermelon, and berries are really good for like allergies, and fruits are just good in general during the spring and summer because they're in season, so they're much fresher, and we just love fruits anyway. So delicious, and these are all the ones I got this time, and we're trying to be more intentional about staying on top of eating healthy as well. So trying to get as many health foods in as I can. And I got an avocado for some avocado toast that I'm going to make this weekend. Some butter, some Irish butter, and I'm going to use croissant here that I got as well to make like a breakfast croissant thing. This is like a little long croissant, and I'm going to stuff it with like sausage and stuff like that for my kids for breakfast. Also got some cinnamon rolls one day for breakfast, and bacon, and just some extra protein for stuff I plan on cooking this weekend. And then we got some juices, and apple juice and lemonade is our favorite. Water, apple juice, lemonade, and Sprite are our favorite drinks. So, and we try not to have Sprite as much just because we don't really do that much soda. Give us some lemonade, some water, or some apple juice, and we're good. So this is the haul here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's like a little mini haul, but definitely wanted to share it with you guys just in case you guys needed some ideas for some weekend grocery shopping, and I think, or just some spring grocery shopping in general. Hey guys, so the next morning I woke up and got straight to tidying up. I just had a few dishes, specifically these bowls here. They don't fit very well in my dishwasher, and I don't feel like the dishwasher gets them as clean sometimes. So I just went ahead and washed these by hand since my dishwasher was already full. And then after I get done cleaning these two bowls, I am going to go ahead and just clean some dishes that are waiting to go inside the dishwasher. I'm gonna just go ahead and knock those out as well. That way I'll just have no dishes in the sink or anything at all. And I'm just using some Gain soap and then my little dish brush here to get those clean. Since it's not that many, I decided not to make dish water or anything like that. I'm just use the dish soap and just get them clean. And I usually don't buy this dish soap. It was a gift to me from my aunt, and it's the Gain, and everybody knows Gain has great smelling stuff. I usually try to stay away from like all the extra scented stuff, but this Gain dish soap is very, very good smelling, and it is very good for spring as well. So I am loving it. Will I purchase it for myself again? I don't know, but I do plan on getting a Dawn Power Wash just because it works for multiple things. So not only can I use it for dishes, but I can use it for other things around the house, such as like in the restroom and things like that. So I'm just gonna knock these dishes out here, and then guys, I went to go ahead and boil some water because I do need to mop my floors really, really bad. My house is not dirty, it just needs to be tidied up a little bit, but I definitely need to mop my floor. So this is the mop I'll be using, and then I'm going to go ahead and just lift all of my chairs up over the counters and the table so that I can get to mopping my floors. And usually like to mop at least like twice. Have to keep my floors clean because they are like, I have like huge flooring space, and so I don't have a rug, which I love, and I can refresh my floors as much as I need to, but I definitely have to keep them clean. So I am just going in with that boiled water, and then I am going to go ahead and clean my entranceway as well in my home because this gets a lot of traffic as well. As you can see, it has some stains on the floor as well. So I'm just taking that same boiling water and my Clorox spray, and I use it because I find that it gets my floor the cleanest and it doesn't show as many like grease. The floor doesn't look greasy or anything like that after cleaning. It just only looks shiny. So I like to use that Clorox spray. And then guys, this is my living room area. We definitely need to tidy up in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just get this back right, and then we'll be all done. And this is how it turned out, guys. This is how it is looking after tidying up. And that is it, guys. And I thank you for tuning in.